Alright, so today we had our final chemistry midterm. So it went over chapters 9, 10, 11, and 12 of, what's the class called?
Chem 1080? 1180?
Not
Chem
sure.
Something.
One of the first year chem classes here at Dalhousie. Me and Luke, we've been studying for this pretty hard. We locked in this morning.
The boys ran a 5:45 a.m. wake up for an 8:30 test.
Yeah. So
we locked in.
Yeah, we did lock in. I think we did pretty well considering how little we studied.
Oh my!
Because on Friday we had our computer science class, or our midterm for that.
Man. Boy, was that tough, wasn't it?
It was pretty tough. What did it go over?
What's that?
What did it go over?
Rays. Wow.
Rays, yeah.
Oh, let's not tangent off into other tests.
You're right.
Sorry, guys. We really apologize. We'll try to keep on topic with the mastery exam.
That's on me.
So let's start with question 1. So what was that?
Question 1 was drawing of the hydrogen phosphate.
Yes.
Ion.
So chat, we had to draw an HSO4 minus Lewis.
Was it SO4?
I believe so. HSO4 minus.
Yes, it was. It was a sulfate ion, my bad.
And so the thing about this question, guys, is it's easy, but they pulled a little quick one on us because this was actually from topic 8.
Absolutely.
Maybe not 8, but it's from Mastery Exam 2. So they kind of slipped in a Mastery Exam 2 question into Mastery Exam 3, which, I mean, that's how they got me last time.
Kind of caught us off guard last time, yeah.
So we'll give you guys some clarity here. Mastery Exam 2, there was a question that was on Mastery Exam 1, and so I really studied Mastery Exam 2 content and totally forgot about this. And then I messed the question up.
Absolutely.
Damn shame.
They low key, they do tell us they're gonna have it in the lectures beforehand, but they usually tell us like the lecture before the midterm.
And then we usually forget too.
Yeah, because like we're so focused on the material at the start of the unit that we weren't focusing on because the midterm before.
And the thing is you think to yourself, oh, I've done that before, I know it.
Yeah.
But then you see it on the test and
you have no clue.
It's just cobwebs out there. Cobwebs.
Gone. Because you replace all that old stuff with the new stuff, so
100%.
It's just in and out. In one ear, out the other. Yeah, they really threw us a curveball with that one.
You know what? I looked over the answer after. I think I got it.
Yeah.
Nice.
It wasn't as hard as the last midterm.
I agree. Should we move on to question 2?
Question 2. So question 2 was what? I forget.
Oh, we had to finish the equilibrium expression.
Oh, yes. That one was pretty simple.
It was kind of a layup. And so, fun fact, I drew out the states. I thought some people are going to forget to draw out the states.
Turns out you didn't
have to.
I wrote them too.
Nice. Give me some.
Yeah.
Hey. So, but then I looked over the question when I was reviewing it. It said, states not required. I'm like, So, hopefully I get some bonus points, but you never know.
Yeah.
Question 3?
Question 3. That must have been the curly arrows?
Oh, yes. Wow. What a question.
Good question, honestly.
Wow.
Like, they didn't really cover it all that much in the lectures, so it was kind of more of a learn at your own pace.
Absolutely.
Sort of
I mean, I don't recall learning this in the lectures at all.
No.
I might have been playing some phone games.
Honestly, me too, yeah.
Really? Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. But I do recall practicing this yesterday.
Yeah. It's almost it's more of a midterm 2 topic again.
I agree. It really delves into topic 3,
It uses topic 2 as a base.
That's the words I'm looking for. Yeah. It's like a topic 3 theory, but it delves into topic 2 skills.
Yeah,
that
absolutely.
we learned. Wow.
Yeah. So it was using again that must have been the sulfate ion with the.
Yes, with H2O.
Yeah.
Something like that.
And you're pulling the hydrogen off of that ion to turn it into an acid.
Mm-hmm. That was a good question.
Yep.
Question 4. Man, I forget that question.
Honestly, I don't remember.
Oh, it's a tough one. Wow.
Yeah.
All right, question 5.
Question 5. This one was the pH question.
Oh, is this the one? I think this is the one
you were given hydrochlor.
Is this the 5% approximation?
Yes.
Oh, so okay, chat. I didn't know how to do this question.
It was hard. I figured it out last 10 minutes. I had to skip this one, come back, just like they always tell you to.
Yeah.
Right. So, what you were supposed to do was use your 5% approximation with the Ka equation. So Ka is your reactants over your acid, or no, your products over your acid, right? Your concentrations. So, using that, you're supposed to use your initial concentration of acid minus X, with X being like how much is used
see,
up.
I didn't do that.
And then on the other side, both your products would get plus X, right?
Interesting.
So the top would be X squared, and then you would use your approximation, your 5% approximation, to get rid of the X on the bottom. So then it would just be the concentration on the bottom.
And so you see, chat, I never did, so this was, I think, was that topic 12?
No, I think this was like 10. But like, it was pretty hard. It was pretty hard. So after you get that, that's your concentration. Once you solve for X, you get your concentration
100%.
in molarity.
Interesting. Wow.
And after that, you'd have to use your pH equation, which is pKa plus log of your conjugate base over acid. And so then you would plug in the pH, which was like 7 point whatever, and then the log of your X value over the 0.142, and that gave you your pH, which I think was around 4 point something. Don't really remember.
So I did 0.88.
Not.
Let's move on.
Yeah.
Question 6.
This one was it a strong acid being added? I believe it was like nitric. It was like nitric acid being added.
This was the titration.
Yes.
Titration question. Oh, I know how to do this one.
Yep.
Yes. I'll take it from here actually.
You got it.
You had to basically, you took the amount of moles. So you found the amount of what?
Moles of
the titrant. I don't know the thing. The strong base.
Yep.
And then you found the mole ratio, which was.
Honestly, don't remember.
I know 1 to 1. It was 1 to 1.
What?
Is it 1 to 1? I know 1 to 1.
I don't think so because it was H3PO4, wasn't it?
Yeah, but you had 2 H2Os at the end.
No, you should have used 3 OHs to remove all of the H3PO4s.
Oh, fuck.
Sorry for cursing, guys. We know we're a family-friendly channel.
Alright, so it looks like my marker's dropping after every combo, so let's just...
Let's wrap this one up.
I don't like that, so I think we're looking at a 75 now. Okay, I only need a 70 for the A+.
Absolutely.
And
that's all that matters. Numbers don't matter, the letter grade matters. You want that A+.
Exactly. Next question.
Next question. I don't have a clue in the world.
Me neither.
To be honest.
Me neither.
Everything kind of blank.
Let's go to the next question.
Wait. It went into the... after that...
It was pKa, pKb. Yeah. So, it gave us a pKa value, I recall, and we had to find the Kb value.
Yes.
So, to do that, we did 14 minus pKa.
Yep, that gave you your pKb.
And then you do 10 to the power of negative pKb.
And that gives you your Kb. So, that one,
free
again,
lay out. Okay, next question was...
this one was the polyprotic acid, where you had the H2A, HA, and then the A, or like H3A,
that's what
H2A negative, yeah.
Basic.
That one was pretty simple. I don't remember.
Basic.
I think so.
Nice.
Yeah. So what you do is you make yourself a little table of your acid and its conjugate base, which becomes the next acid and conjugate base, and then you assign your pKa values on one side, and you do 14 minus to get your pKb values, right? And then you compare the acid that you're looking at, pKb and pKa, whichever one's lower, that's the characteristics it's going to take.
So, fun fact, chat, I actually learned that this morning via soup.
You did.
Via soup. It was awesome, and I learned it this morning, and I got to run the test.
Yep. Yesterday, we should have learned this, but we were making videos instead. For you guys. For you guys.
Because we
love our viewers.
We love you guys. Alright. Next question. There was another little 5% error question that I had not a clue in the world.
Yeah, there was.
I don't remember it because I didn't know how to do it.
This was
I wrote
an ice table.
I wrote
I think.
1, 2, 3, 4.
This would have been an ice table.
Yeah, it totally was an ice table. And so actually this morning I was doing the thing where you study it, like you're like looking at the answers, so you like, gaslight yourself and say you know it.
Yeah.
I didn't know it. It's worse. I'm gonna say here, this is the worst chem exam I've had this year. Loki killed the other two, so I.
Definitely. Being on a Monday, this one was especially hard.
Yeah.
I'm going to be honest.
Yeah.
Because last Friday we had our other midterm, so we just didn't have much study time before.
Turnaround.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Exactly.
And I'll mention for you guys, don't measure out what your grade's going to be to get an A+, because then you try a lot less hard.
Yeah,
That's a mistake
exactly. Yeah, because you're thinking ahead, but it's thinking ahead in the wrong fashion.
You need to think, because then you just slack off. You need to think, I need a 100.
I have time right now to do work instead of calculating
100%.
like your percentages.
100%.
You know, using that time that you spend calculating percentages could be put to just studying.
I could have been doing ice tables.
You know.
Man, wow, that's how they get you.
Next question. I think the next question was the MO diagrams, I believe.
No, it's orbitals.
Yeah, that's the MO diagrams.
Oh yeah. So basically they pulled a quick one on us. It was like super easy, but apparently it's on the z-axis.
Yes.
That's how they get ya. That's
So
how they get ya.
I think that was later on actually. I don't know.
Oh, I forgot about the question where she meets the tummy ache acid.
Oh yes. So we had to calculate, or we were given a pH that we had to reach with a certain buffer.
Yes, correct.
And we had to calculate the effective range of the buffer as well as if the pH fell within that effective range. That one was pretty free.
That one was light, yes.
All you had to do was the mole to mole ratio.
And log it plus pKa.
Mm-hmm.
And I was looking, full disclosure here, I actually skipped this question to start. I didn't know how to do it. Look back, I'm like, oh, it's free cash. Barbecue chicken.
Exactly.
Barbecue
Sometimes
chicken.
you overthink it.
Yeah, exactly. And that's what happened.
Yeah.
But the thing about these tests actually is, so we only have 40 minutes to write these tests.
Mm-hmm.
And that is the biggest issue. Because realistically, I could get every question right on that test because it's all in the formula sheet.
Yeah.
But you can't really think about it. You just have to do
you
it.
can't be looking at the formula sheet trying to figure it out.
Or else you're done.
No time. Yeah.
No. I think orbitals was next question.
Yeah. That was the drawing. The drawing of the
yes.
Your MO diagram, I think.
No, because there's the orbitals first, then the drawing.
Oh, it must have been, yeah.
Right, so we basically had a little s orbital and a p orbital, and I thought it was going to be sigma sp antibond.
Yes.
But
that's what I thought too.
it's actually no bond. We both got this question
Yeah.
wrong because it's on the z-axis.
Yeah.
That's how they get
They
you.
threw a little curveball on
They
us.
drew it as like you would normally draw on the x-axis,
Yeah.
so that really PMO'd
Yep.
me personally.
Yeah, I think that was just unnecessary, honestly.
It's just not cool.
No, it's
It's
not.
just not cool.
It's not a test of our knowledge.
It
It's
really
more a test
isn't.
of
It
just
really
like our. It's almost like a.
Oh, got you there, and it's like,
Yeah.
are we dead ass? Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. I really need
Cat, we're gonna ban him.
I really need
Moss, please ban him.
Okay. So then we had the drawing.
Yeah, then
So
we had
last
the drawing.
one.
This was difluorine with a negative charge.
It was actually quite easy, but so what was confusing me was I usually draw however drawing I did my pi,
You always
for my
have
p
your
orbital.
pi under your sigma.
Yeah, and for both top and bottom, and then there was a note. It's like sigma's actually less than pi in this one, and I'm like,
Yeah.
what?
Yeah.
What?
It's lower because fluorine's Z effective is so high that it pulls all its orbitals closer, but it's the distance between the orbital increases. So it doesn't have as effective SP mixing. So its pi orbitals become less stable than the actual sigma orbitals.
100%.
Yeah. The bondings.
Yes, but so we were actually very lucky because there was 15 electrons.
Yes.
Yes, so we were lucky enough, at least for me. I drew it properly, but I was really questioning it because I was like, oh, it says this, but like I don't know, man. So luckily, it didn't really matter because it went.
It filled way past
it. It filled way past it. So wasn't a worry, but it was honestly, thank goodness I did that.
On top of that, it wasn't worth a grade. I'm honestly surprised by that because I feel like that's more of a more technical
yeah, absolutely.
part of
Because they didn't actually mark the drawing; they marked how you
answered the questions
exactly.
based on the
And
drawing.
there's no homo or lumo, right?
No.
Nice.
No
That's what I
homo or
did.
lumo. No.
It was paramagnetic.
Yep. Paramagnetic.
0.5 bond order.
0.5 bond order.
And it
yep.
was shorter because
It was shorter because you were removing one from the
anti-bond.
anti-bonding. Yep.
Nice.
Absolutely.
And that was it.
That was it. Yeah.
So my final reviews is, I know I got 2 questions wrong because I guessed, and then I'm figuring out I might have messed up on more ratios. So that's another one. And then that damn z orbital. That's how they get you.
Yeah, that's the orbital.
So it's out of 15, and that would have been 3.5 marks off. So what? 11.5.
Yep.
Oh, that's not good. Oh no. Sorry guys, I'm not good with the calculator. Oh. Divided by 15. 76. So, or 77. And that's assuming I got the mole ratio. Everything else is right, I hope. But that should be an A+ in the course.
That should be an A+.
Honestly, it actually depends what Experiment 6 lab brings me.
Yeah.
But I can't imagine it's less.
Honestly,
than
I feel like that one was
100.
kind of easy.
Yeah.
Not much for them to mark wrong on that.
Yeah, there's so many things to mark. I think the thing is there's a lot of things for them to mark right. But there's a lot of free marks on that Experiment 6.
Yes.
So hopefully I get even an 80. I'll still have a high lab mark.
Yeah.
So I definitely got 100 on every other one. So.
Yeah, for sure. I didn't get 100 on all mine because I forgot to write a conclusion on one of mine, and I was trying to write it while he was coming to
That's how they get you.
take them. Yeah, honestly, that's how they got me.
Interesting.
I was gonna fill it out later, and then I forgot about it. And I also lost my lab book and my
Well, see, that's
my
how.
textbook or like the other one, the blue and pink book. I lost both of those like second week.
So
That
and
wasn't
that's
great.
the challenges of university is they really test your limits by making you lose things.
Yeah, it's very self-guided.
It
when you
really
lose
is.
your stuff.
It's crazy how that is. What are your final thoughts on the chem exam?
Final thoughts on my chem exam. I'm just happy that I don't think I'll have to write the mulligan.
I don't think so either. Yeah!
Absolutely. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And we'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching.